USAIICAIS exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. How does a modern large language model maintain coherent dialogue across multiple user turns? A. By applying convolutional operations to previous tokens. B. By storing interactions in an external long-term memory system. C. By embedding contextual cues directly within its internal token representations. D. By using recurrent feedback loops to revisit earlier responses. The answer is C. Modern LLMs embed contextual information into the token representations processed within the transformer architecture. This enables the model to retain short-term conversational dependencies without relying on explicit memory modules. The attention mechanism aggregates relevant clues from earlier tokens to guide new outputs. As the conversation progresses, these contextual embeddings dynamically shift to reflect new intent. This integrated design allows the model to produce coherent and contextually aligned responses over multiple turns. Which strategy best ensures that an AI system remains operational when unexpected component failures occur? A. Relying on manual interventions to restore service. B. Eliminating redundancy to minimize resource usage. C. Using automated failover pathways combined with redundant system components. D. Decreasing monitoring activities to reduce operational load. The answer is C. High availability architectures depend on redundancy to avoid single points of failure. Automated failover ensures that if one component becomes unavailable, another instance can immediately take its place. This reduces service disruption and helps maintain consistent performance levels. Without these measures, fault recovery would be slow and highly error-prone. Effective redundancy also improves system resilience in large distributed AI deployments. In a soft margin support vector machine, what is the purpose of introducing slack variables? A. To permit limited misclassification so the model can handle imperfectly separable data. B. To decrease the runtime of the optimization algorithm. C. To reduce the dimensionality of the projected feature space. D. To automatically select optimal kernels based on the dataset. The answer is A. Slack variables allow SVMs to relax the strict separation requirement between classes. They enable the algorithm to accept small violations of the margin when the data is noisy or not linearly separable. This results in a more balanced trade-off between margin width and classification accuracy. Soft margin SVMs therefore generalize better to real-world datasets. The slack mechanism prevents the model from overfitting to outliers or extreme points. Which training improvement is commonly adopted to reduce mode collapse in generative adversarial networks? A. Increasing the discriminator's learning rate. B. Applying Wasserstein loss with gradient penalty. C. Removing batch normalization layers in the generator. D. Reducing training batch sizes significantly. The answer is B. Wasserstein loss stabilizes GAN optimization by providing smoother gradients and more meaningful distance metrics. The gradient penalty further enforces Lipschitz continuity, improving numerical stability. This combination helps discourage the generator from producing overly similar outputs, which is the hallmark of mode collapse. As a result, the model learns a richer representation of the underlying data distribution. These techniques are widely recognized as best practices in modern GAN setups. Which AutoML component identifies the best performing candidate algorithm based on validation scoring? A. Feature engineering automation. B. Hyperparameter exploration. C. Model selection logic. D. Ensemble construction. The answer is C. Model selection is responsible for evaluating numerous algorithms and configurations to identify the one that performs best on validation data. This process uses objective metrics to filter out suboptimal models. AutoML systems typically automate this evaluation loop to streamline experimentation. Through systematic comparison, the pipeline converges on a model architecture suited to the dataset. Proper model selection helps ensure strong baseline performance before fine-tuning. Which action is essential for determining whether an AI model treats different demographic groups equitably? A. Ignoring fairness metrics and focusing solely on accuracy. B. Conducting fairness assessments and reviewing disparate impact indicators. C. Increasing model depth to improve representational capacity. D. Evaluating the system using a single test example. The answer is B. Fairness audits ensure that an AI system is evaluated for disparate treatment across demographic groups. Disparate impact analysis helps identify how predictions differ between populations. These assessments provide insights into whether the model amplifies or reflects societal biases. Without fairness evaluation, harmful biases may remain hidden. Incorporating such audits into the ML lifecycle is essential for responsible AI deployment. What is a recommended approach for managing risks during product planning activities? A. Limiting stakeholder involvement to streamline decision-making. B. Concentrating solely on short-term profitability. C. Identifying risk scenarios early and preparing mitigation strategies. D. Depending exclusively on earlier product successes. The answer is C. Effective product planning involves identifying potential risks before they materialize. Mitigation planning ensures that the team has actionable strategies for addressing adverse scenarios. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions during development. It also helps maintain alignment with business goals despite changing conditions. Successful teams incorporate structured risk analysis into their standard planning processes. Which AWS service enables deployment of multiple ML models on a single endpoint while scaling automatically based on incoming requests? A. AWS Lambda. B. Amazon EC2 Autoscaling. C. Amazon SageMaker Multi-Model Endpoint. D. AWS Fargate. The answer is C. SageMaker multi-model endpoints efficiently host several models behind one endpoint, reducing infrastructure overhead. The service automatically scales compute resources in response to traffic patterns. This design is particularly useful for organizations managing many models, such as per customer deployments. It also simplifies operations by consolidating hosting and monitoring. The dynamic scaling ensures stable inference performance under varying workloads. What is a crucial consideration when attempting to correct bias in models trained on past real-world datasets? A. Increasing the regularization factor. B. Using more sophisticated machine learning architectures. C. Collecting data more frequently. D. Understanding that historical records may encode societal inequities. The answer is D. Historical data frequently reflects structural and systemic biases embedded in society. When models learn patterns from such data, they may unintentionally reproduce or amplify those inequities. Recognizing the source of bias is essential before designing mitigation strategies. Corrective action may involve data reweighting, resampling, or fairness-aware training. Awareness of these underlying issues leads to more equitable AI systems. Why are GANs generally preferred over older generative models for producing synthetic data? A. They inherently reduce computational demands. B. They generate outputs that more closely resemble real-world samples. C. They are designed for processing sequential data. D. They simplify interpretability of generated results. The answer is B. GANs use adversarial training between a generator and discriminator to refine output realism. The discriminator's feedback helps push the generator toward producing high-fidelity samples. This adversarial dynamic gives GANs a strong advantage over classical generative approaches like VAEs or mixture models. The resulting samples often display sharper details and more convincing structure. This capability makes GANs popular in image synthesis, data augmentation, and creative AI applications.